Human behavior, guys, is the interplay between one person and all the factors affecting that person. What is your behavior? What do you guys understand to be your behavior? It's your mannerisms. It's your output to your environment. So your human performance is intrinsic. How hard can you work? Your human factors is what you get as a result of your hard work and how you interplay with that. Your behavior is how you are then showing your reactions to your human factors. Okay, behavior is just how do you integrate, how do you react to the integration process of your environment. Okay. And it works like this. Let's take two people who have the same work ethic. Therefore, they both have human performance. But the one has human factors where he grew up very poor and poverty-stricken, and the one has a human factor or human factors where they grew up being rich. Now both of them are earning the same salary. Both of them are performing at the same capabilities. Who do you think is going to go further in the job? The person with the better human factors. Why? Because their human factors says that I'm grateful for the money I'm earning. So my behavior is that of gratitude, which therefore means my reactions to my environment is going to be of gratitude. And therefore that person will probably last longer in the job.